On page 469, we're looking at number 1. This circle graph has some percentages on it. It shows the result of a poll where there are 60,000 teens. How many of the teens surveyed said they would save their money? Where do I look on that chart to answer this question? Hayden. And that's what? That's 33%. So we know 33% out of how many? Out of 60,000 teens. 33%. What fraction is that we know and love? 1/3. Well, is this number divisible by 3 really easy?
Yes.
Absolutely. So how much would it be? 20,000. So here's what I'm doing. You could do this. You could do times point. You could multiply, because if I find the percent of a number, I could do 0.33 times 60,000, right? And you're going to get something that's really close to 20,000. I bet it's like 19,997 or something crazy close like that. But that's not helpful. We know we could really easily just divide by 3. So this is not the fastest way to do this one. 60,000 divided by 3 is 20,000 what? No. Teens. Labels matter. So when you know one of those that you know and love and the math is super easy, please do the super easy way.
We don't understand the super easy way.
I want to know why you don't understand the super easy way. Is it because you didn't memorize them? Because you should. Oh, all right.
Just one of those random questions.
Okay. Question about A. How about B? It says, predict how many of the 28 million teens would buy a music CD if they were given $20. How do you figure that out? Where do I look on my chart to figure out? Where do you see Morgan? Which is 32%. How do I find 32% of 28 million? What are you going to do? Yes. Tell me, Emma. 28. How many zeros are after million? 6, because this would be 28,000. This is 28 million. Lindsay?
I have a question about it.
Yes.
Would it still work if you did like X of 60,000 and then times 3 over 100?
Yes. Yes, I like, Lindsay said, well, what if I did this? What if I had 33 out of 100 and I made an equivalent ratio to 60,000 and figured out that part? That absolutely will work also. Do you see why that's also not nearly as fast as just dividing by 3? So you could figure out how many times 100 goes into 60,000, or you could cross multiply. Yep, you can pick. So yes, at this point in the chapter, there are always like 3 ways to do it. Some though are way faster than others. This one, I don't know 32%, and this one, I could round to 33, but that's not helpful, right? This is helpful, especially if I can use my calculator. What's 0.32 times 28 million? What is it? 8,960,000 what? Teens. So provided you write down what's in your calculator, that's outstanding. Again, I could make a proportion, right? I could say 32 over 100 is equal to X over 28 million, Lindsay's way, and that would work too. I don't think it's any faster than doing it this way though. That's still a 2-step problem. I always want us to be more efficient if at all possible.